Hi friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study one of the important topics of English grammar. The title of the topic is participles. First of all, try to understand that participles are non-finite verbs. Okay, they are the non-finite verbs. Okay, participles are the non-finite verbs. Try to understand there are three kinds of non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs are of three types. They are gerunds, infinitives and participles. Okay. These are the three kinds of non-finite verbs. In today's video, we are going to study participles. Okay, we are going to study participles in today's video. So let us get started. Okay, please have a look at the board. Participles are of three kinds. Okay, participles are of three kinds. Try to understand. Participles are of three kinds. First kind of participle is present participle. Present participle. Second is past participle. And third kind of participle is perfect participle. Perfect participle. First of all, we will study present participle. How are present participles formed? तो यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, participles जो है उसके तीन टाइप्स है. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है पहला टाइप, दूसरा है पास्ट पार्टिसिपल और तीसरा टाइप जो है पार्टिसिपल का वो है परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल. तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स जो है उनके बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. Try to understand how are present participles formed. Present participles are formed with or by taking the V1 form of the verb. After that we have to add ing to the V1 form. V1 plus ing is equal to present participle. तो हम present participles कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं? किसी भी वर्ब का हम बेस फॉर्म लेते हैं और उसको हम ing ऐड करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुक प्लस ing, कुकिंग, रीडिंग, ओके, स्विमिंग, लर्निंग. दीज आर द वेरियस एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड participles function as adjectives in the sentences. Once again I repeat, participles work like adjectives in the sentences. मतलब पार्टिसिपल्स जो है वो सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव्स का रोल प्ले करते हैं. तो हम वी विल स्टडी प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड देम इन अ प्रॉपर वे. सो लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड. लेट अस स्टार्ट टू स्टडी प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स विथ मी. वी सॉ अ रनिंग train. We saw a running train. You have to remember a few things about participles. Participles do not function as main verbs in the sentence. Okay, participles do not function as main verbs in the sentence. They play the role of adjective in a sentence, and we can say that there is another main verb present in the sentence. So see here, here running is an example of a present participle. Okay, present participle क्या है? V1 plus ing. तो यहाँ पे running जो है वो present participle है और यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए running is playing the role of an adjective. Why? Because it is giving us more information about a noun train. यहाँ पे ट्रेन नाउन है, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें रनिंग वर्ब दे रहा है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नॉट अ वर्ब हियर बट इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव एंड इट इज़ अ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. रनिंग इज अ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल हियर. सॉ इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ मेन वर्ब हियर. यहाँ पे रनिंग क्या है? प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है और वो एडजेक्टिव का रोल प्ले कर रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज रनिंग इज प्रोवाइडिंग अस मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ नाउन ट्रेन. एंड हियर मेन वर्ब इज सॉ. लेट अस स्टडी अनदर एग्जांपल. I purchased a dancing doll. I purchased a dancing doll. Here also dancing is an example of a present participle. Dancing is an example of a present participle in this sentence. It is playing the role of an adjective. Why? Because dancing is providing us more information about a noun doll. यहाँ पे डॉल नाउन है और उसके बारे में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें डांसिंग वर्ड दे रहा है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव एंड डांसिंग इज अ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. हियर द मेन वर्ब इज परचेस्ड. आई होप दैट यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड द प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स प्रॉपरली. नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू स्टडी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स. Past participles are the V3 form of the verb. Okay, past participles are the V3 form of the verb. For example, spoken, written, studied. Okay, again learnt. These are the various examples of past participles. They are the V3 form of the verb. Now let us study past participles with the help of a few examples with me. I attended spoken English. I attended spoken English classes. So here try to understand यहाँ पे जो spoken है, okay, it is a past participle. spoken यहाँ पे क्या है? past participle है. और यहाँ पे भी spoken जो है वो past participle है, but here it is playing the role of an adjective. Why? Because it is providing us more information about a noun. That's why it is an adjective and it is a past participle. यहाँ पे spoken क्या है? past participle है. Let us study another example. We saw a damaged car. Here also try to understand. saw is a main verb here. यहाँ पे saw क्या है? main verb है. और यहाँ पे damaged जो है, damaged is a past participle here and damaged is also an adjective here. Why? Because damaged is giving us more information about a noun car. That's why it is playing a role of an adjective here and it is a past participle. Spoken and damaged are the examples of past participles in these sentences. Next is perfect participle. Try to understand that how perfect participles are found. First of all, try to know that perfect participles are of two types. तो ये जो perfect participles है इनके दो types है. पहले तो एक्टिव फॉर्म में रहते हैं या पैसिव फॉर्म. एंड हाउ आर द एक्टिव फॉर्म्स ऑफ परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल्स फॉर्म्ड? वी हैव टू यूज हैविंग प्लस V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वी कैन फॉर्म एक्टिव परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल्स विथ दिस स्ट्रक्चर, हैविंग प्लस V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. And passive form of perfect participle, how is it formed? How is it created? Having been plus V3 form of the verb. So first of all, we will study a few examples of active perfect participles. Okay. Having completed homework, Raju went out to play. So here we can say that having completed is an example of perfect participle, active perfect participle. Okay, having completed homework, Raju went out to play. Very simple it is. Next one, having eaten having eaten food, she went out to walk. So this is also very simple. Having eaten food, she went out to walk. Very simple. Another example, having read the book, having read the book, I chatted with my friends. So here try to understand which action happens first. So this action happens first, and after this action the next action happens. Okay, so very simple. These are the various examples of perfect participles. Okay, there are three types of participles: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. We have studied a few examples of active perfect participle. Now we will study a few examples of passive perfect participles. Please have a look at the board. Having been defeated in the match, they returned back to their country. Having been defeated in the match, they returned back to their country. So having been defeated is an example of a passive perfect participle. Let us study another example. Having been collected the money, we visited a hotel. Having been collected the money, we visited a hotel. So here also having been collected is an example of a perfect participle. I hope that you must have understood this topic, perfect participle, in a proper way. I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for a comprehensive study of English grammar. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Take care.